Sister Fun Time. We're going to be making homemade Play-doh. We have flour here, warm water, and salt, queen of tart, and oil, and we have coloring, food coloring, and we got a bowl, and we got this mixing so we can mix it together. And first we're gonna be putting 2 cups of flour. I keep forgetting. 2 cups. Oh, why you? Okay. There. One more. You're gonna do flour because I don't want to miss it. No. You want to put your best. Alright, let's put warm water. Well, that had to be cooked. Alright, you put the salt. And you put the oil. And now let's mix. Let's mix it. It's starting to get harder, guys. Too liquidy. Too fun. And I'm so excited when it gets there. When it's ready. When it's thick. And it will feel like Play-Doh and it will get thick. Has balls in it. Looks like balls. Yeah. And when it has balls, it means it's not ready yet. So you just gotta keep on mixing it. Keep on mixing till the balls go away. Yeah. I see a ball right there. Nina! It's hard, huh? I still mix it because it's hard. It's hard, but you gotta keep on mixing it because it has balls. This is how it looks. Looks like it's Play-Doh. Looks like Play-Doh. Alright, I'm gonna take it out the bowl. I have it. There. Oh! Now I'm gonna split it in half in a circle. Somehow she's not split. Okay, that's good. Whip it. There. Now I have my piece. Nina has her piece. And you guys grab 2 bags. Put the Play-Doh inside the bag. And you pick a color of food coloring. And you put the color inside with the Play-Doh. And you start mixing it. You put it in the bag and mix it because you don't want to get your fingers coloring and dye your fingers. So you put them in the bag and you put the coloring inside the bag and you start mixing until it looks like the color you want it to. And you take it out and you mix it a little bit more And then there's the Play-Doh you have it. We're gonna put the dye now. Which one you want? Red, blue, green, or yellow? Meeny, miny, moe. What? Who's that? Red? I'm gonna take the blue. Yeah, you take the blue. So I'm just gonna put mine right now. Alright. Whoa, that was too much. I wanted mine like a light blue. That's too much. The whole bottle. The whole bottle's empty. It's empty? No, there's some more. Okay, Mike, can you close for me so I can mix? So you close it and then you start mixing. I picked red and it looks like blue. Yeah. I don't think it looks like it, but blue looks softer. I don't know. Let's start mixing. Oh, found some air, Mike. Okay. We're gonna break the bag. What it looks like. I had red, but I changed my mind, so I just put red and yellow. So now it makes it orange. So mine is blue. This is the color I wanted, and that's the color Nina wanted it. Because we didn't have no orange, so I just changed it to orange. Hey, Mommy, I got an idea. What? What if we made something in the Play-Doh, like stuff, and we have to guess what it is? That's a great idea. Let's make it. I know what you're making. What? You're making a snake. No. Oh, you're making a snowman? No. A snake? No. You already said that. Yes. No. Okay. Just don't make mine. Are you making a snowman? I am not making a snowman. Okay. This is what I made. This is what I made. This is what I made. She made a duck or something. Because not a duck. Not a duck. Is that a snowman? Correct. Ah. It's my snowman, but it's actually not snowman. You forgot to put the dots there. You gotta guess what mine is. You probably don't know the name. We'll do the song then. Peacock. He's not a peacock. Let me tell you what it is. It's a swan. Swanee, Swanee. It's supposed to be white. But it's blue. Don't forget to hit the thumbs up, subscribe, and share. See you guys back on Sister Fun Time. Bye!